Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by looking at the debug console and the log output for errors and stack traces. Note the exact error text so you can search for solutions efficiently. Confirm you are running Vscode version 1.75 and that the debugger extension is updated. Check your runtime configuration for the target port 9229 and a launch timeout of 30,000 ms. Verify your program actually starts and listens on that port. Record any crash lines and exception names for the next steps. Open your workspace. Vscode/launch. JSON and inspect the request, program, and runtime args fields. Make sure the configuration sets port 9229 and timeout 30,000 to match your runtime. Confirm the runtime executable path points to the correct node or Python binary. Temporarily disable conflicting extensions and enable only the debugger extension to isolate the issue. Clean environment variables that might alter runtime behavior. Launch the debugger and reproduce the error while watching the debug console output for immediate clues. Use the integrated terminal to run the program directly and confirm it listens on port 9229 when expected. Clear all breakpoints and perform a reload window to reset the debug host. If the error persists, reinstall the debugger extension and restart your machine. Finally, test with a minimal sample program to ensure the debugger works versus your full project configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.